Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a brand new HP laptop. These are the low-cost HP laptops that are really cheaply made, but they are good for an office use if you want to just use it for an office or internet. This one is an HP Stream, and the exact model is a 14-AX113 model. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys if you can upgrade the RAM and how you can upgrade it, how to open it up, how to add additional RAM. They do come with an initial 4 gig of RAM, and people are like, okay, can I go up to 8 gig, 16 gig? You could go up to 16 gigabyte of this one, but people are like, no, on the website it says only 8 gig, it says only 4 gig. Sometimes the information that they put on a website is incorrect, or even if you call them, they'll give you incorrect information. We have upgraded this one up to 16 gigabyte. If you want to see by yourself what's your maximum capacity of the RAM, I made a specific video on how to find out your maximum RAM capacity for your laptop or your PC. You do not need any program or any software to be installed. It's just a simple line in a command prompt. Put that in and it will show you the maximum capacity of the RAM that your laptop or PC can handle. And in this one, it can handle up to 16 gigabyte with no issues. All right, with all that said, now let's get into it. Let's get it started. So this one comes with a 14 gig. I'm just going to open it up and show it to you guys how to remove it. So first, you want to power off the laptop. You want to grab yourself the screwdriver set. I use the UFIXTEK screwdriver set. And from here, we're going to use a Phillips #1. I love this screwdriver because it's made out of S2 class steel and aluminum handle. These are really tough and steel bit. They will last you so many times openings. All right, and if you want to get the pro version, they will include you with an opening tool and pliers and many other stuff. But if you don't want to get the pro version, just go with a simple guitar pick. And metallic guitar pick is really suitable to opening covers, electronics. All right, once you flip over the laptop and its power is off, you want to remove, there's no screws available here. You can't see any because they are hidden under these rubber legs on the top and the bottom. To remove them, you want to place the opening tool on the bottom of the rubber and just peel it off. It has a little adhesive, so you just lift it up. Don't yank it this way, otherwise you're going to snap the rubber. Just bring it up, just like that, and place it on the side. Same thing on this side. Lift up, grab it from the side, and bring it and put it to the side. Now, you're going to see a whole bunch of screws. All the screws are the same size and height. So we're going to start removing all the screws. Also, if you guys like my videos and helps you guys out and you want to support the channel, you can do it by clicking that like or subscribe to the channel. I'll greatly appreciate it. It will be a great support for me to make more videos, take requests, answer your questions, and help you guys out in general. I'll appreciate that. All right, once we remove all the screws, now what you need to do is to open up the laptop a little bit or completely, how you wish. I don't have enough space here. You want to place the guitar pick between the top and the bottom cover. Just squeeze it right there. You're not going to damage anything. And you want to just twist it and walk around here. Just work yourself. And you want to hear those big clicks. So I'm just putting it in there and twisting it toward the bottom of the laptop. Okay, and you want to do this to the corner sides. Go all the way back to the right side, all the way to the corner. And do the right and left side. So I'm going to put it there. Gently. So make sure. And once you went to the sides and the front end. There we go. Now, the back side, it's really not that tricky, but it's simple. All you need to do, put the opening tool flush with the bottom case here. So you bring it, pushing it upward here. And you just want to just move it around. You just want to hear a few clicks. It's not supposed to show openings. And there we go. And back here, you want to do by the hinges. This one went back down. So let me see if I can show you guys here. See, the hinge is open a little bit, so I'm gonna help it out a little more right there, and do the same thing on this side. And there. All you need to do is just loosen up a little bit. Now you're gonna close it down, put it down, and grab it where the power charge port is. Put your finger right at the edge of here and just peel it off. Bring it up and move the front end. Bring it up a little bit. Bring the right side up, and the back clip is they're just gonna open up with a little bit of stress in the front, and they're just gonna get released. That's the bottom cover. And in here you can see you're pretty much called a tablet, but this is not an actual laptop. And the RAM is exposed right in here. At least they didn't solder RAMs on this model, which is good thing. You cannot upgrade the hard drive, but you can upgrade the RAM. To upgrade, to remove the RAM, you do not need to remove the battery at all. It's not necessary to do it. All you need to do, by the way, these are DDR4 RAM. You need to pull these two triggers away from each other, and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle. And all you need to do is to grab it in the same 45-degree angle and pull it out. You do not want to lift up towards the ceiling, otherwise you're going to snap the jack or break the RAM. Pull it back in the same direction. Let's say you got a 16 gigabyte DIMM. It only takes one DIMM, so it's single channel. You can't even get dual channel on this one. So you can go with an 8 gig stick or grab a 16 gig stick. Make sure the notch under the RAM matches the notch right on the DIMM, and bring it down in 45-degree all the way inside the jack and push it towards the motherboard, and you should hear a really soft click, just like that. Okay, if you try to put it the other way around, doesn't matter where the RAM chips are positioned, on top, on the bottom, sometimes it can be empty in here, so don't worry about that. It won't go in because the notch is not matching. So put it in a correct position, all the way 45 towards the motherboard, and that's it. And next thing is, grab the bottom cover, scoop down all the I/O side here, scoop it down in a 45-degree, bring it over and scoop it in there and push it down, and then squeeze the sides and work yourself to the other side, to the back. Press down here, there's a clip in the middle, just press it gently, and right there. Now what you want to do, you want to open up the screen a little bit, and what we're going to do, we're going to pinch the top and the bottom cover. Just go ahead and pinch them together, and it will close down. Okay. Also, there's one thing you should know: when you upgrade the RAM and when you power on, it will take up to 5 to 10 seconds for the BIOS to do a RAM check before it actually gives you anything on the screen. So take your time, wait, don't panic. Just when you turn on, just wait a few seconds and you should get boot up menu. Alright, and the last thing down here would be to put the bottom screws and put the rubber covers right over. And if you guys have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment area. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And as always, if you like this video and helped you guys out, you know what to do. Click that like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.